video, I will show you some important features on the library website that will help you in your writing assignments at Center. This is the library website. It is available at library.center.edu. It has 4 main sections. The main part of the page gives you information about library events. This section of the page gives you helpful information about how to start your research, how to find a database or journal, how to cite your sources, how to view course reserves, how to renew books, how to print from your laptop, how to suggest a purchase, how to make an appointment with a librarian, or how to get help on other topics. The menu bar at the top of the page allows you to find library resources, such as all the databases or all the journals or research guides. It allows you to reserve equipment or spaces, and it allows you to access library services. The final section of the library website allows you to search for books and articles. You can either enter a keyword here, or you can click on Advanced Search to enter multiple keywords, or to change your search to search for a specific author that you are looking for, or a specific book or article title that you are looking for. Most often, you'll have a keyword based on your research topic that you'll want to search for. Suppose I want to know more about the value of a liberal arts education. I can enter the phrase liberal arts, and if I clicked search now, that would give me all the books and articles the library has just on the subject liberal arts. But I specifically know that I want to learn more about the value of a liberal arts education. So I want to search for liberal arts, and I'll change this to keyword again, value. Another way to think about the value of a liberal arts education is to think about the benefits of a liberal arts education. So maybe I want to search for value or benefits at the same time. To do that, I can change this to or, change this to keyword again, and type in benefits. Now, I am searching for all articles and books on liberal arts and value or benefits. Before I click search, there's one other thing that I can do to improve the results of this search. In this search bar, I'm searching for liberal arts, a phrase. If I click search now, I will get all the results that contain the word liberal and the word that contain the word arts. But I want specifically this phrase, liberal arts. To get exactly that phrase in my results, it's useful to put my phrase in quotes. By putting the phrase in quotes, I will get only those results with this exact phrase, liberal arts. Now I'm ready to click search. These are my results. When you search the library catalog, you will find books and ebooks at the top of your search results. This first result is an ebook. I can click this link to view the ebook. This third result is a physical book. I know that because it has a call number. Call numbers in college libraries have both letters and numbers. To find the book in the book stacks, first you go to the shelf labeled with the letters. In this case, PR. Once you are in the PR shelves, you look for the number. In this case, 6068 .U75.T96, 2015. Books are on the shelves in numerical order, tens, 100s, 1000s, in this case up to the 6000s. If you need help finding a physical book, you can ask at the information desk, which you will see when you walk in the main doors of the library. You can also request the book by clicking on its link and then clicking on the Place Hold button. If you click the Place Hold button, we will find the book for you, check it out to you, and place it in a bag at the front of the library. Once the book is ready for you to pick up, you will be notified via email. When looking at the results in the catalog, I may want to limit my results to make them more relevant to my research needs. I can do that by using these tools on the left-hand side of the page. For example, I can limit the type of results I get by choosing only articles or only books, and I can limit my results by publication year. This can be important to make sure that I'm getting current and therefore accurate information on a topic, particularly scientific topics. I can use these links to limit my results to the last 5 years, or the last 10 years, or the last 25 years, or I can put in a specific date range. When you search the library catalog using keywords, you will get a lot of results. In my case, I got over 1 million results. This can be useful when you're just beginning to explore a topic. Looking at many results can help you learn important aspects of the topic to better define the part that is interesting to you. For example, when looking through these results, I notice in this short description that liberal arts education produces many leaders. If I continue to look through my results, I will see that theme repeated. Perhaps I will then become interested in learning about why a liberal arts education produces more leaders. I would then refine my search to perhaps look for liberal arts and leadership, a more narrow topic. Often, when I'm exploring a topic, and definitely when I have a more defined and narrow topic, it is valuable to me to search specific databases. To find the databases that are available through the library, you can either click on this link underneath the library catalog search bar, or you can go to Find and All Databases. Both methods will lead you to this page, where you can see all the databases the library owns listed in alphabetical order on these tabs. That's a lot of databases. Until you learn which databases are most useful for specific classes, it's often helpful to look under the Division I, Division II, and Division III tabs, where we have grouped the databases by class subject. For example, under Division I, these are the databases that are useful for art classes, for classical studies, for drama, for languages, for music classes, for philosophy classes, etc. We do the same for the Division II classes, the Division III classes, and interdisciplinary classes. These databases are often very specific to a particular subject. For example, the databases listed under History include America, History, and Life, and the Annals of American History. When you search these databases, you will get results that are very specific to the discipline of history. That can limit your results and make them more relevant to your search. Let's do a search, again, to find more information about the value of a liberal arts education in two important databases in order to illustrate some common features that all centers' databases have. I will search in Academic Search Complete and Web of Science, which are two frequently used and good general databases. Okay. This is Academic Search Complete on the left and Web of Science on the right. Similar to the library's catalog, I can put in liberal arts. Notice when I start typing liberal arts, Academic Search Complete starts suggesting topics to me, such as, for example, liberal arts benefits and liberal arts values. I can choose one of those if I like, or I can use multiple search bars to search them both at once. These are my results. Now I'll do the same in Web of Science. Web of Science by default offers me one search bar. I can get multiple ones, like I have in Academic Search Complete, by clicking on Advanced Search, or by adding a row. These are my results in Web of Science. Comparing both databases side by side, you'll notice that they have a similar structure. Both display the results on the right-hand side, displaying the source title and a brief description to help you determine if this source will be valuable. Both databases offer you an option to view the resource in full text. And both databases offer you a way to limit your search results on the left-hand side. In Academic Search Complete, I can limit my results to full text if I only want to see the results that Center owns and that I can view immediately. We don't recommend that you do that because that may eliminate results that would be very useful to you, but that you'll have to request via interlibrary loan. You can also limit your results to only those results that are peer-reviewed, which are the results that most professors require. And you can change the date range of your results to make sure that you are getting current results. For example, rather than seeing results from 1990 to 2021, I could change my results to only show me articles published between 2015 and 2021. Web of Science offers similar ways to limit your search. I can choose my publication years here. I can say that I only want to see articles, peer-reviewed articles. And since Web of Science searches journals in a broad variety of disciplines in the social and physical sciences, it's often valuable for me to limit my Web of Science categories. To see all of the categories, I can click See All. And if I am interested only in articles about a liberal arts education from the point of view of education, I can click Education or Educational Research and refine my results to make them more relevant to my interests.